Hey, welcome back YouTube. This is Robin here from Skincare Tactical. Today we have another cool video for you talking about Skincare Tactical's 4-step kit. So this is the next level, second level from the 2-step kit, right? So 2-step kit is kind of like the fundamentals of skincare. You can click on the link below or to the side or wherever my lady puts it. But click on the link for the 2-step kit if you want to kind of get into skincare. If you're just new or you just want to simplify your setup, or you're just getting killed from your own regimen and you wanted to go back to the fundamentals, the 2-step kit is what I recommend. For folks who are kind of already familiar with the skincare game and they kind of understand the certain ingredients that they don't want, and they kind of have a specific target or a specific issue that they want to kind of remedy, like for example, like anti-aging or acne or dryness. You know, there's so many different kind of setups you can run depending on your environment, your climate, and then your type of lifestyle. So today I'm going to be breaking down the 4-step kit. So the 4-step kit is something I recommend for most folks. If 2 steps is too easy for you and you want to go to the second level, the 4-step kit is pretty much my everyday kit. That's pretty much what I run. It's really not a 4-step, it's more like a 3.5-step kit. So without further ado, let's go ahead and kick it off. So the four steps, just if you gotta bounce, like the 4 steps basically is exfoliator, cleanser, moisturizer, sunscreen. Okay, so we already designated that these are the 2 steps. These are the most critical. Most important is the moisturizer and sunscreen. If you have a great moisturizer with good quality ingredients and a good physical sunscreen, you're doing great. You're kicking butt. Like, that's it. Like, you're set. But if you want to do a little bit more and you want to like take care of your skin a little bit more, I would recommend adding a cleanser and exfoliator. So let's go ahead and break that down, okay, guys? So let's do a quick recap of the 2-step kit first, okay? So the 2-step kit, the reason why the moisturizer is critical is because you're moisturizing your face. Whether you're dehydrated or dry, or you're oily, acne prone, you still need hydration, okay? So just because you're oily doesn't mean you don't need a moisturizer. Sometimes that could be true, and sometimes it's not, because your body, because it doesn't have any like oil, it will produce more oil. Someone like me, okay? So you definitely don't want to fall into that trap of thinking, oh, I'm a young teen or I'm a young buck, like I don't need to hydrate my face because I'm young and healthy, and you know I can live without moisturizer. And you could ask me about all that, man. I've never put on skincare products for 35 years, man. So I'm regretting it. I should have listened to my mom. I should have listened to the girls around me, and I didn't. I was stubborn. I thought I was trying to be manly and macho. And I'm behind in the skincare game, guys. So moisturize your face, okay? Hydrate your face, okay? Give your face some love, okay? Give it some good vitamins and herbs and supplements and make it look good. It also looks good too, right? So, I mean, take care of your largest organ, okay? Especially your face, okay? And of course, the second part of the 2-step is the sunscreen. The sunscreen, photoaging, I mean, need I say more? There's tons of research, and dermatologists all repeat the same thing. Photoaging, okay, photoaging. The sun is the arch enemy. That is the nemesis of our skin, okay, guys? So you need to protect yourself from your enemy. Protect yourself with that armor. Get some sunscreen, okay? Of course, I recommend physical sunscreens because chemical sunscreens are absorbed into your face and then they kind of get heated up and deflect UV. Whereas physical sunscreens are just on the surface, okay? And then they're gonna have zinc oxide and titanium oxide, okay? And you can watch my other video for a deep dive on sunscreens, my Veritas series on sunscreens. But generally, get sunscreens. I recommend SPF minimum 30, but I recommend 50 if you're lazy like me. You just put it on once in the morning and you're out. If you're able to put it on twice or 3 times, or if you live in an aquatic environment, then you can put, or if you just have time, if you have a chill job, then you can put it on multiple times and nobody's gonna say nothing. Then yeah, go for it. Go with the SPF 30. It's lighter, oftentimes lighter. But I think sunscreen is it's really the hardest thing to really find for your skin. That's the journey, okay? That's the super mission. I don't know if y'all see my old videos with lower quality view. You can see it. The super mission is really finding that sunscreen that fits your skin type and your face, okay, guys? So that's really basically the 2-step kit. And for this video, I'm introducing 2 more steps, guys. So the cleanser, all right? Rule number 5, right? Cleanse your face. So why do you need a cleanser, Robin? Well, basically it's simple. You want to put your good moisturizer and your legit sunscreen. You want to put both of those things on top of a clean face. Okay, if you put it on top of like oil and dirt and all the pollution that's stuck to our face, depending on where you live, like that's a negative. Like you don't want to do that. Why do you want to put like good stuff on top of like dirt and honestly, like you could trap dirt and oils into it. That's why people break out, right? So if you're a big dude like me, or you work out a lot, or you're out in the field, or if you're in a hot climate, you really need to look into a good cleanser. It's good to just wash your face. And of course you can use like just regular water, but if you have a good cleanser and some nice water, man, you can really do a lot of love. You know, you can get rid of all that and you can balance your pH. You could do so much, okay? And a lot of these cleansers nowadays, they're all pretty similar. There's not a whole lot of variance on cleansers. Only thing I would say is to really just be careful of the physical elements, okay? I'm not gonna do a deep dive on this. I'll have a Veritas series on cleansers separately, but just a quick tidbit is when you guys buy cleansers or exfoliators, you can buy stuff that has physical, like little, I don't know, little rocks or shards or whatever, leaves or extracts. Like these companies marketing all kinds of nonsense to us. Make sure you know what you're buying. And if you have sensitive skin or acne prone skin like me, like you want to stay away from anything physical, okay? Anything physical that's going to create micro tears in your skin, okay? Micro tears, you won't see it, but you could feel it. Like my lady gave me one the other week and I put it on my hand. I could tell this is gonna tear my face up, like, you know, and I'm not gonna bleed or anything, but you could feel the tears, okay guys? So make sure if you wanna be loving and gentle to your skin, get something that doesn't have these physical properties, okay guys? So a cleanser is critical because you're putting on good stuff on a clean palette. You're not gonna trap oils and dirt. But if you don't wash your face before putting on a nice moisturized sunscreen, man, you got issues, man. You gotta rethink your strategy, because that's important. Okay, don't put on night stuff on top of a oily dirt face, like you just like worked out or you ran a mile and you just want to put on moisturizer. That's a negative. Okay, please wash your face, shower, cleanse your face. Okay, guys. Next thing is the exfoliator, okay guys? Exfoliator is the same thing, but you don't put it on every day, you know? The cleanser, you can do it on once a day or twice a day, right? That's pretty much how often you want to put a cleanser on. Exfoliator, you want to put on once a week or twice a week max, okay guys? So exfoliators, I suggest chemical exfoliators, guys, because the chemical exfoliant is gonna have like acids and properties that's actually more gentle for your skin. Okay, when you have physical abrasives, just like cleansers, if you have like little crystals and balls and stuff that don't dissolve, they just kind of stay there and you're like scrubbing your face, that's a negative. Yeah, you don't want to damage your skin, okay? You don't want to create micro tears, and exfoliators are a very common area of rookie mistakes, okay? I see videos online, all these young cats like putting on exfoliators and cleansers, they're breaking out so they exfoliate even more or cleanse more. Don't do that, okay? Less is more. Rule number 1, okay guys? Less is more, okay? Be gentle, all right guys? So exfoliators, I recommend chemical exfoliant. The one I use is a More Pacific's powder form. It's an enzyme peel. I like the powder just because I only use it once or twice a week, okay? For my personal schedule, I exfoliate Wednesday and Saturday, and I put a mask on after. That's kind of my personal schedule. And I like the powder form because it's gonna last me forever. That big bottle, I mean, God knows when I'm gonna be done with that, but I mean, I want my products always to be fresh, okay guys? I mean, I'm very anal about all my skincare, healthcare needs. Like, if you're gonna put something on, I want you to get the best for your face, okay guys? Best for your health. This is your health. This is your face. Protect it, okay? So I recommend chemical exfoliants, and be very gentle with your face. I would start with once a week, okay? I would recommend using it once a week, and then it's up to you guys. If you guys want to do it twice a week like I do, that's fine. You know, sometimes you don't want to do that. Sometimes just rinsing your face with water is fine. And an exfoliator, what that's gonna do is it's gonna even out your face. You'll know. I remember the first time I tried a More Pacific's enzyme peel, I was like, man, this is awesome. Holy smoke, I've been missing out, man. So my face was so soft and like smooth. Like I felt like somebody like sanded my face. But obviously nobody sanded my face. It's just pretty much all the dead skin cells, okay? So if you guys ever been to like a Korean sauna or like a, a spa, those like old ladies or old men, they have those like warm towels and they like rub your back. And then those little roly-polies that come out, little black things, that's your dead skin, bro, okay? So it's hilarious. That's your dead skin, man. So you have all that even on your face. So exfoliator, what that's gonna do is remove that dead skin, okay? And it's gonna even out your your palette. It's gonna even out your skin, guys. It's gonna be nice and silky, nice and smooth. You can really see results instantly. So basically, that's really the 4-step kit, more like a 3.5 kit or 3.1 or whatever, however you want to do the math. But you want to exfoliate once or twice a week. You want to cleanse daily, once or twice, depending on your day. Like for me, if I sweat a lot at night, I'm just gonna, or if I have a lot of good stuff for my night regimen and I still have it during the day, I just kind of use a little bit of water in the morning. Or if I'm like just sweating bullets at night, if it's hot in Cali, then I'm gonna use a cleanser in the morning to wipe off all that oil and everything that I've been excreting while I was sleeping. So, okay, we gotta cut that out. That's nasty. But anyways, sometimes I use a cleanser. Sometimes I use a cleanser in the morning, guys. Okay, and it's great. Okay, you want to cleanse off all the oils and extra sebum that you produce in the evening. Okay, guys. All right, and next is obviously the moisturizer and sunscreen. Make sure you spend money and get a good moisturizer. Don't be cheap, okay? If you want to cheap on other stuff, just get less stuff, okay? The 4-step kit is great, okay? You don't really need to do the 10-step. You don't need to get more than the 4-step. The 4-step is great, especially if you get a quality moisturizer. There's moisturizers from like I would say Goldilocks zone is $30 to $50, okay? $30 to $50 for a 50 mils, like a 1.69, 1.7 ounce bottle. But I have moisturizers. A lot of my moisturizers are over $100, okay? But it's bigger. So, I mean, you could do the math. I mean, this is skincare, guys. I mean, every day you're gonna be dropping like 20 cents worth of skincare stuff on your face. And you can actually spend that money or allocate that money on healthcare and really do some self-care. Give yourself some love, okay? So, thanks for watching. This is the 4-step kit from Skincare Tactical. Please like and subscribe. Please comment below. Let me know what you think about my 4-step kind of suggestion. Let me know what you run. How many steps do you run in your kit? All right, guys? Peace.